So welcome back to my channel. I am finally back to the 14 of my subscribers. Thank you. And today I'm going to show you how to do a sky replacement. So let's get into it. Have you ever went outside and took a nice video and then you load it up in your computer and you see a horrible sky like this? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to fix that with some simple editing in Davinci Resolve to make it look from this to this. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn something like this into this using built-in features in Davinci Resolve. The first thing you want to do is find footage that is filmed on a tripod so we don't have to track the sky and do all that, okay? So the next thing I did was I found a photo, a reference photo, and I wanted similar colors for the clouds and like the sky. Now that you have your reference photo, go into the color tab. Alright. So I'm going to go through each node at a time showing you what I did. Alright. So for the first node, all I did was change the tint to more like a pink color because I was looking in this photo and in the video I have, like, the Eiffel Tower is way more orange. So first I changed the tint a little bit. After that, what I did was you go to the qualifier, press 3D, and then press add, and then you just hold and swipe to add stuff to your selection. And then if you want to subtract stuff, you just get the subtract one. So now that you have your selection, what you're wanting to do is you're gonna search sky replacement in here, and you just drag and drop. Once you have that, you open the mask and then you preview your mask. I'm pretty happy with that, but you can refine your mask by playing with these toggles and stuff. After that, uncheck that box and go to artificial sky. This is where you pick out the colors. When you first get in here, it will, like, the sky will be at 0, so turn it up to 1, and then this is where the reference photo comes in. So the problem with the reference photo is when you put it over and then go to the color page, you can't see it. So what you have to do is go to Fusion, grab the still, and then just drag the square to that square, and that's it. Alright, so now that you can see your colors of your reference photo in the Eiffel Tower photo, all you do, grab these little qualifiers and pick the colors you want. So I picked that top blue, and then I pick like this bottom orange area. For the clouds, you're gonna do the same thing, turn up the opacity, and then I picked this darker cloud color over here. Okay? So after that, you can play with the cloud shape and stuff like that. And then after that, if you want to add like the actual sun, you add the brightness hotspot, and then you can change the position of it with this. And then the last step I did was I added some light rays to this image, and the light rays really helped blend the sky backgrounds into the foreground and blend them together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please watch that video. Yeah, that's it. See ya.